Ever wondered how Wi-Fi connects your devices to the internet? Let's break it down. It all starts with your router. This device is the heart of your home network, sending out radio waves to connect your devices. Routers use radio frequencies, typically 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz, to transmit data. These frequencies are like invisible highways for your data. Your devices, like laptops and smartphones, have wireless adapters that pick up these signals. The adapter translates the radio waves into data your device can understand. When you send a request, like opening a web page, your device converts this request into data packets. These packets travel through the air to your router. The router then forwards these packets to your Internet Service Provider, ISP, which connects to the wider internet. Once the ISP processes your request, it sends the data back to your router, which then transmits it to your device. And just like that, the web page loads on your device, all in a matter of milliseconds. So, next time you stream a movie or join a video call, remember the amazing technology of Wi-Fi that's keeping you connected wirelessly.